Hey everybody, it's Wayne. Thanks for tuning in for another weekly portfolio update. Let's go ahead and kick things off with M1. Currently the portfolio sits at 133,000, down about 3% or about 4,000 for the week. If we go to the total amount of holdings within M1, I currently have 48 positions. I have a cost basis of 138,000, so I'm down just about 3.5%. Or about $4,800. As you guys know, all of my funding, so Monday through Friday, $100 every single day of buys that I'm making. That's a total of $500 on a weekly basis. All that money has been going to the stocks within the long-term hold slice. And within the long-term hold slice, I now have a total of 16 stocks, not 15, 16 because of the newest addition, specifically UNH. Now, even though I just added UNH this past week and a half, I am already up to 2.19 shares. It's really cool because as you guys can see from the spreadsheet, I have been tracking the progress, specifically my long-term hold slice progress, and just adding that UNH position this past month, I have already added $16.47 to my annual dividend income. Now, I do have an ambitious goal to make $15,000 this year in annual dividend income. Now, from the long-term hold slice, those 16 stocks, of that $15,000, about $1,347 is going to come from the long-term hold slice stocks. So we're seeing real progress just for these positions. If you look at January all the way to June. As a reminder, this is not how much I made in the months of January through June, but rather how much annual dividend income I would expect to receive based on the number of shares I owned at that given point. All right, moving over to Robinhood. Currently, the portfolio sits at just over $400,000. For the week, I am down about 1% or about $4,100. But I continue to be rather amazed about this year-to-date earnings. I am up 21% or 71,000. And yet again, the second time in 2023, my portfolio, as far as the all-time gain, I am still in the green, just at 0.62% or about $2,500. Now, if we look at the total portfolio value, you can see how it breaks down between stocks and options and the brokerage cash. Brokerage cash is up to nearly 48,000. Stocks and options is down to about 352,000. That's because in the last couple of weeks, if you guys have been following along on my weekly options update, I've had a couple of positions which have been called away. Specifically this past week, I had a Google call, which was exercised, so I lost 100 shares of Google. And then the week before that, I had my 100 shares of Best Buy called away. So this number is always going to fluctuate. I also added some additional cash to my brokerage from two older 457 or alternative Social Security plans that I closed out. So this cash is going to increase, and one of the things that I love about uninvested cash is with Robinhood Gold, which I pay $5 a month, I am earning 4.65 APY. Not bad. All right, let's go ahead and talk about dividends received in my M1 portfolio. This past week, things kicked off on June 20th. McDonald's paying me out $5.96, SPY-D $28.79, SPHD, a monthly payer, $1.68, Texas Roadhouse, one of those stocks in my long-term hold slice, $4.94, and things concluded for the week with VYM paying me out $3.48. As for dividends in my Robinhood brokerage, I only received one dividend payment this past week. On June 23rd, I received $15.56 from, again, SPHD, which I also hold in M1. All right, let's go ahead and show you guys the updated numbers. With those dividends received this past week for Robinhood and M1, I am currently at $969.63 for the month of June. I do think we are going to come very close to beating March, in which we received $1,990. I've got some big payments on deck for the last week of June. You guys are going to have to stay tuned. As soon as I receive that last dividend payment for June, I'll be sure to push out an update, giving you guys a rundown of all dividends received for the month. In fact, let's go ahead and take a look at the dividend calendar within Track Your Dividends, give you an idea how much I can expect to receive in this last upcoming week. You can see here on the 26th of June, $22.16. The following day, about $4. The following day, $57. And then for the last day of the week, guys, the 30th of June, I could expect to receive upwards of $800 plus. So it's going to be a fantastic week. I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you on the next one.